Good morning, children. Today, we're going to be talking about how many letters are in your name. We're going to discuss about what the first letter of your name is, and we're going to make and count and use cubes to how many letters are in your name. So we have our numbers, we have our cubes, and we have our letters as well. Okay, so our first letter of the alphabet is the letter A. So then I have with me Ava's name. Ava begins with the letter A. You have your uppercase A, your lowercase a, and then Ava has 1, 2, 3. She's got 3 letters of the alphabet. So I put together with the cubes 1, 2, 3, because Ava has 3 letters in her name. So Ava starts with the letter A. And then our next one is going to be, our next child is going to be Connor. Connor begins with the letter C. So I'm going to show you. We have the letter C. Uppercase C and lowercase c. And then how many letters are in Connor's name? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Connor has 6 letters. So then I put together the cubes to show how many letters are in his name, which are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's Connor. I'm going to put Connor right here. And then I'm going to move on to our next name. It's going to be Eve's. Eve's name begins with the letter E. E for Eve. So you have your uppercase E, lowercase e, and Eve has 1, 2, 3. So Eve has 3 letters. So as you can see, the cubes has 1, 2, and 3. 3 letters. And then we're going to go to our next name, which is going to be Emma. And Emma as well begins with the letter E. So E for Emma. E for Emma. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4. So she has 4. So as you can see, I have a cubes that has 4, because that's how many letters are in her name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. All right, so our next name is going to be Emery. Now, Emery also begins with the letter E. E for Emery. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if she has 5, we have our cubes right here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 cubes because she's got 5 letters in her name. So we're going to go to our next child, and our next child is going to be Ford. And Ford begins with the letter F. And as you can see right here, F, uppercase F, lowercase f, and then we're going to show how many letters are in Ford's name. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have right here 1, 2, 3, 4. So he's got 4 cubes. All right, so next child is going to be Graham. And Graham begins with the letter G. And I'm going to show you right here. G. G for Graham. And Graham has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters in Graham's name. We're going to put Graham down, and then we're going to work on Juliana. Juliana begins with the letter G as well. G for Juliana. How many letters does Juliana have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She's got 8. So her name is quite long. So I had to put together 8 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she has 8 cubes. So hers is very long because she's got a long name. All right, so Juliana is going to go down with her 8 cubes, and we're going to pick up Gray. And Gray begins with the letter G. And he has 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4 letters. So I put together the cubes with 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4. All right, so Gray's gonna go down, and we're gonna move on to our next child, whose name is Harper. And Harper begins with the letter H. H for Harper. And Harper has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. So she has her cubes put together has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because she's got 6 letters in her name. And we have Kate. And Kate begins with the letter K. K for Kate. And Kate has 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in her name. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. All right. And then we're going to move on to our child, Mila. And Mila begins with the letter M. M for Mila. And Mila has 1, 2, 3, 4. She's got 4 letters in her name. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. She's got 4 cubes for Mila. Okay, so now we have our next child, and our next child is going to be Natalia. And Natalia begins with the letter N. N for Natalia. And Natalia has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She's got 7, so let's see. Our cube here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She's got 7 cubes because she's got 7 letters in her name. Very good. And then we're going to move on to our next one is going to be Owen. And Owen begins with the letter O. O for Owen. O for Owen. And he has 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4 letters. So then we're going to do 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 4 cubes because he's got 4 letters in his name. And then we're going to move on to Ryan. And Ryan begins with the letter R. And he has 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in his name. So let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes because he has 4 letters in his name. So now, boys and girls, let's see how many children have only 3 letters in their names. We have Ava and Eve have 3 letters in their names. And then we have 4. So then we have Kate, Gray, and then we have Mila, and we have, let's see, we have Ryan and Owen, and they have 4 letters in their name. And then we have, let's see, we have 5. I believe our child with 5 letters in their name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's 6. We have a child with 5 letters in their name, and I believe it's Connor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connor and Harper both have 6 letters in their name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we also have the child that has the most letters in their name is Juliana. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. And Natalia has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 7 letters in Natalia's name. So boys and girls, you can, when you're practicing writing your name, you can look at the first letter of your name. You can get your blocks out and find the letter that begins with your name. And you can also put together your name with your blocks. So if your name begins with the letter R, then Ryan's name is R-Y-N-A-N. So then you have to just look for your blocks and you go R-Y-N, and you can build it up or build it sideways. And you can have fun building your names and counting how many letters are in your name. So boys and girls, thank you for being here with me today, and I'll see you real soon.